If you have lost respect in someone's heart because of your own actions, don't blame them. You are the one responsible for the change in their behavior. You see, when we do things that upset others, they start to think less of us. Instead of pointing fingers at them, it's better to admit when you've done something wrong and try to make things better. Taking responsibility for your actions and trying to be a better person shows that you are growing and improving. Just remember, respect is a two-way street based on trust and understanding. So be careful with your actions because they can either strengthen or weaken the respect in your relationship. Let go of your ego. Put aside your pride and make things right. Thank you very much for your time.